What's going on, everybody? I'm Mike Sampson, and today is my first video on YouTube in front of the camera. Now, this is going to be a brand new concept for me. As some of you might know and some of you might not know, I'm usually the guy behind the camera. I'm the one that did the setup here with the lights and get the camera all set up and stuff like that. I do photos and videos. I'm very unnatural on the camera, and I'm trying to I set that as a goal this year to try and get better to speaking to the camera and to speaking to you guys, and to get a bit more natural on it. Now, as you can see, it's not my strong suit, but I'm going to put myself out there and start this channel because I feel like I need to inspire people to do what I'm doing and getting out of my comfort zone and to learn more of the photo and video side of everything. And I feel like it's our job to teach each other and to help each other pass this information along as we accrue it and learn it as we go. I would love to share it with you. As far as video goes, you know, I've only been doing it probably about a year now. Seen some of my other videos using stock footage and editing, but most of my background is about 10 years in photography, and call it semi-pro, call it pro, whatever you want. I've gotten to a level now where I feel comfortable sharing this knowledge with people and to start a YouTube channel and to get to know everybody. So if you have any comments or questions, things like that, please drop them down below. I'll do my best to keep up on them. If you have any certain topics that you want to talk about, because we're going to be talking about tips and tricks in the photo and video world, how to grow your business if you're looking to grow a business, or if you're just a hobbyist, maybe you can make a little side hustle on the side where you don't really want to grow it too big, but at the same time, you wouldn't mind being able to pay for your gear. There's things that I've learned, and that's kind of how I started. I mean, I started off with some garage lights and, you know, construction lamps and poster boards, and I still use some of those things. But I've built myself up enough where I can accumulate gear and learn what gear I need and when I need it and when I don't need it. Those are some of the things that we're going to talk about on this channel. You know, sometimes I'll ramble on, but ignore it as I get better. Hopefully the ums and the ahs and the awkward moments go away. But I want to do this introductory video to let you guys know who I am, what I'm about, and what this channel is going to be about. So if this is something for you, please hit that bell button, hit the subscribe, and I will see you next time.